Okay, let's get this started. Hello. My name is Jacob Gamble, and for the rest of the day, I'm not going to be using entertainment technology. So, things I can't use are a cell phone, TV, gaming consoles, wearable tech like a smartwatch, smart devices like Alexa. I got all these rules from Review.org's Digital Detox Challenge. Now, I'm gonna go clean up, and I'll be back in 1 second. Now that I'm all cleaned up, let's go eat some breakfast. All right, got my breakfast, 2 sausage and egg biscuits, and a sparkling ice, which is just flavored carbonated water. At the beginning of the day, I felt pretty anxious about like what I was gonna do and like how much time things were gonna take up. While I was reading the book, I kept wanting to like go and get my phone to listen to music because typically whenever I read, I drown all outside noises out. But I couldn't do that because I couldn't use anything. So while I was reading, I noticed that I could hear the buzz of my ceiling fan, and I could like hear other people in the house, and I could hear like a plane go by and stuff like that. Books typically grab my attention like that, but not just like on their own. But usually with like accompanying music with it. So it was really interesting to be that engrossed in a book with just the book entertaining me and nothing else. By the time I finished reading, I had felt pretty calm. All right, time for lunch. The next thing I wanted to do was just go straight to my phone and watch something on it, but I knew that I couldn't. So for lunch, I just have a pot pie and another sparkling ice. So I noticed after a bit of playing that my guitar was out of tune. And usually what I would do would be to use this app on my phone that I have where it can like help me tune my guitar because we don't have like an actual guitar tuner around the house. Usually throughout the day, I spend like all of my time watching something, either YouTube on my phone or something on TV or playing a video game.
So going through all this stuff without being able to use anything was really hard in the beginning, but it got a bit easier.
For dinner, I got pizza and some Pepsi. Today was a lot of fun. I think if I were to try this again, I'd probably try to find a day where I have nothing to do, and I know that I have nothing to do it then so that I don't have to worry about anything. I think other people should try doing this. They'd probably enjoy it a lot more than they think they will. I definitely did. Doing this with friends around would probably be a lot more enjoyable. I didn't do a whole ton. Thought I was going to do a lot more than I ended up doing. So I think if I were to do this again, I would probably plan more things to do and have like a checklist of things to do. I would recommend this to other people. I honestly would. I think that some people definitely need this. People that are like overstimulated by school and work and stuff like that. I think they would benefit a lot from just chilling out for a day, not using entertainment technology and stuff. It was very insightful. I noticed a lot more like sounds just in the house, like just like a general humming of just like stuff in the house, and like I could hear my family members doing stuff all over the house and stuff. It was very interesting because usually I spend most of my day with headphones over my ears watching videos, either on my computer or on my phone, or watching TV or doing homework on my computer and stuff like that. But it was really nice to just like unplug like that for a day. It was a lot more calming than I thought it would be. I would recommend that people trying to do this, they pick out a specific day and either plan around it, or like carve out time to do it, or maybe just pick a day that you know that you're not going to do anything and then do it. Because I think it'll help a lot. Honestly, it did for me. I feel pretty chill right now. All right, I think I've taken enough of your time. Time for me to go to bed. So, bye bye.